Hi, welcome to this video. And in this video, we see how to be able to download the VirtualBox on your Windows by using your laptop or a PC. So in order to download, we need to open first our browser. I open my Chrome browser, and here you have to just type VirtualBox download. Okay, once you write, just press the enter button. And after that, you see the first website will appear virtualbox.org, and here is Oracle. That one is original one, virtual Oracle VM VirtualBox. So you have to just click on this. Okay, once you click on this, okay, here you see for Windows platform, Windows installer 64-bit is here. And also for the other one, also if you want Linux, Mac, Ubuntu, also you can download here. The process, downloading process and the installation process is almost the same. So right now we are on the window, so we click on this one, window installer. Okay, so just click on this window installer. Once you click on this, it is asking us for where you want to download the setup. So I just download in the downloads directory. Maybe in your case, it will start downloading automatically. Okay, here you see it's just 106 MB setup, and it is almost done. It's only few seconds left. So hope so. This will help you a lot. And once we download this, and after that, we see how we be able to install it on our Windows. Okay, it is almost done. Just wait. So now, okay. Now just click on this folder icon to go to the directory where we download this. Okay, just click on it, and here you see our VirtualBox is downloaded. So in order to install this, we have to just double click on it. Once you double click on it, it will take a few seconds. Okay, here it will ask for the window permission in your case. At that point, you have to just click yes. Okay, and next it is you have to just click on this next button, and here you select by default the C is selected. Okay, if you want to change the installation directory, just click on this browse. Okay, and then go to there here. Okay, here on this create folder, if you want to create another or add a path, by default you can change the directory installation directory here. Okay, and after that just again click on next, and again uh, here it is a warning network interface installing will be network feature, reset your network connection, temporary disconnect. It is telling us when you are installing this, it will for at that moment it will disconnect you from the internet, from your network. So it's okay. So just click on this yes, and again yes, and now just click on this. So just wait for it. It is installing. So, and if you have any kind of query, make sure comment down. Comment section is available for you. And I also mentioned the important links in the description. Make sure also go and check out. So our Oracle VM VirtualBox is installed. Oh, there Linux, etc. If you want to install the Kali Linux, you went to other distros of Unix, and if also you want to other window, you can also install the window also in the VirtualBox. So when you click on this new, and here you have add other according to your need. Okay, so this is working fine. So hope so you like this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We will meet in the next video. Stay tuned.